Welcome to Dirt Road Grill and Barbecue. Just good fire, good smoke, and food done true. I'm Tim Dirt Road Demon, if you know the name. With my brother Jason, we run this flame. We keep it simple, take it slow. Let the smoke and the flavor do the show. So grab you a seat, grab you a plate, kick back a while, y'all gonna eat great. Ain't nothing fancy, just the way we were raised. Cast iron, open flame, and we smoke for days. You'll see us try to mess it up, then get it right. Learning as we go, just chasing that perfect bite. From slow smoke meats to a skillet on the stove. If it's worth cooking, we're giving it a go. Some of it's simple, some of it takes time, but good food's worth it every single time. So whether you're cooking or just along for the ride, there's always room for you right here by our side.
Hello everyone. Time to make dinner again. It's been a long day and I want something good and hearty. So tonight I am making stroganoff. In my pot right here I have 2 pounds of ground beef. Y'all know from all of our other videos we like to use Longhorn. It's local, fresh, no extra added preservatives, all that nasty junk that you don't need. So we're going to start off by browning up the 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and when it's almost done we are going to add in 1 pack of the Lipton Onion Soup mix. And then over here in our other pot I've just got water boiling, and I am going to add in our 16-ounce package of just plain old wide egg noodles and let them boil. We're also going to have fried taters with this. We like fried taters. We're from the South. Fried taters go with everything. Be all sure to, I put olive oil in my water. Just help the noodles not stick, and salt your water. So let's get all this ground up and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, the hamburger meat is almost done. So now we are going to add in the 1 pack of Lipton Onion Soup mix. You don't have to do anything fancy. Just add it in and let it cook down. You can add some salt and pepper to your meat as well, just to give it flavor. We're going to let this cook down, and as soon as the hamburger meat is all done, then we are going to add in 1 can of tomato paste. It's just a 6-ounce can. I wish you could smell this. We need smell-o-vision. This smells amazing. There's like a bunch of different ways people make this. Everybody's got their own recipe. This is just the way we do it. This is the way my mother-in-law taught me how to make it, and it's one of my husband's favorites. There's not a lot of grease on this hamburger meat. That's another reason we like it so much, because it's not super greasy. So we're going to let this cook down. I'm going to get this opened up. And we're going to add this to the pot. Add this whole can and get it in there. That in there. Just stir this down. and let it cook. Now the only other thing I'm going to add to this is I'm going to add 1 8-ounce container of sour cream. You can use Daisy, you can use the off-brand. Daisy was on sale. So I got this turned down. And we're just going to add in the sour cream. Boop. Just like that. Oh yeah, look at that. Now, if you want it a little looser, which I'm going to make it a little bit looser, just add a little bit of water. I'm going to turn this down on low. And we're just going to add that in. I did like 1 of the sour cream cups full. There we go, that looks better. We're just going to let this sit here and simmer while our noodles cook. So stay tuned. I'm going to get these noodles all done and cooked, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, it is all done. So you're just going to take some egg noodles and some sauce. And then, like I said, we have it with fried taters. So, just gonna get me a little scoop of these. And all done. Bam. Look how yummy that looks. Look at that. Probably took 30 minutes start to finish. Perfect, easy. Super delicious. Enjoy. See you later.